So I'm going to show you how to make the loveliest gluten-free, sugar-free breakfast muffin. You know it's all about the health around here, yeah? Banana, chopped dates, oats, cocoa powder, olive oil, baking powder and date syrup. I'm going to mash up the banana. Then after that, you're going to just add all the ingredients into the bowl one time. Mix up, mix up, mix up. There's the oil as well. And then you're going to add the baking powder as well. Then lots and lots of cocoa powder, some raisins. You can get your sugar from the raisins and from the dates, you see. And then you're going to put it in your tin and you're going to put it in the oven maybe 15-20 minutes. Done. Sugar's more addictive than cocaine. Sugar creates acid in the body, havoc to all sorts of your organs. So that's why we do these sugar-free recipes. Get you healthy, innit? Listen, follow me for more, and don't forget, email me on info@jbrose.co.uk. I have a group where we can help each other stay on this sugar-free, health, beautiful journey together. So join me, info@jbrose.co.uk. There'll be tips, there'll be affirmation music, there'll be a wonderful time. We will be sharing between us. Email me, join the crew.
That's why I say yes to this day. I say yes.